Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for waiting. I know it's been a little bit longer than I normally go between uploads. I've been really sick with a sinus infection, which really sucks. But today I have a really exciting video. I'm going to be reviewing these Kylie products. I have a blush, a bronzer, and 3 Kylights from her newest launch. That was January. I'm dumb, I don't know. So, Kylie released 18 new shades in blush, bronzer, and highlight. These were released January 18th. I got mine January 25th, so it took a week for it to come in the mail. They're brand new formulas, and that's pretty much the information I have on these. She said she was really excited to launch them, and I was really excited because in her Christmas collection, she released a highlight and a blush. The highlight, Snow Angel, is one of my all-time favorite highlights. It has a big chunk taken out of it for just 1 month of use. Like, this is so beautiful. You can go back and watch my video review on this. So great. It was one of my favorites in December and January. And I've used, it's hard to use up blushes, but I've used quite a bit of this shade as well, and this is Winter Kissed. Oh, excuse me. Not really showing on camera how it looks in real life. That's how it looks in real life. But let me share with you the products I bought because I'm a crazy person. Okay, so for bronzers, I picked the lightest shade, which is Khaki. Again, this is more true to its tone. Can't wait to try this on camera. And then I got one blush in Pink Power. Again, this was the lightest shade, and this is really pretty. Now, compared to Winter Kissed, this one is much more peachy, but I do like that they continued using the plastic packaging instead of the cardboard. It's so much nicer. And then I have the 3 highlighters, which are kind of the star of the launch, what I saw most people being really excited about. Now, this is a highlighter she previously released in her birthday collection that I did not get my hands on. It was Champagne Showers, and this is now called Cheers Darling. This is going to be too dark for my skin tone, I'm guessing. And then I got 2 more in Quartz and Ice Me Out, and these are the ones I'm going to try on my cheeks today. Ice Me Out looks gorgeous. Ooh. And then Quartz, which is really quite yellowy. Yeah, this you can see them better. And then if you want to see the highlight, which I adore, which is Snow Angel, comparatively to these. Snow Angel is darker and pinkier. Yeah, okay. So I loved the formula of Snow Angel, so I'm hoping these are all going to be similar. So let's try the bronzer first, which is Khaki. If you heard British people say khaki, it's really funny. I'm going to take a floofy bronzer brush first, just to warm up the face. So right now my face is, I'm not wearing any bronzer or highlight or blush or anything. This is just my face with foundation. I'm wearing Born This Way foundation with Born This Way powder on top. And I'm just going to take some of this powder. Can I knock a little bit off? It looks pretty pigmented on the brush. Okay. Sorry, I was covering the camera. So I'm going to do one side of my face first. Just kind of warm up the face. I think I like this. So if you can see, this face looks a little bit more contoured and chiseled a little bit. I'm not really contouring, I'm really just warming up the face. But it's a buildable formula, which I really like for bronzer. This is really nice. Really creamy it feels on the face as it blends out. When I feel it with my finger, it's pretty creamy. Let's do the other side now. How are y'all doing? Long time no see, I know. Really excited for so many product releases coming out soon. What do you guys want to see on this channel? Please leave comments down below. Okay, so this really does a really good job of warming up the face. I'm not disappointed with this. For $18, I don't think this is a bad product whatsoever. It does kind of remind me of Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in a way, their lighter formula. This is a great shade for lighter skin tones. Now I'm going to take a JH10 brush and lightly contour my nose. I don't normally do this, but a lot of people were saying that this is a good shade for that. So it's a little bit more noticeable on my skin. Maybe other people's faces. Okay, nose contoured. Yes. Bronzer, I'm feeling it. I like it. It's not, the effect isn't a lot, but again, I just get the lightest shade, so this isn't too dark of a powder. And let's go into the blush. Where's the blush? Pink Power over here. Going to hop in with a blush brush. Jab, jab. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's really pretty the way it lays on the skin, if you guys can see that. Compared to no. This seems to be pretty consistent with the formula from her winter collection. Like, while it's really pigmented, it is also really buildable. Ooh, she's so pretty. I feel like she did a really good range of shades for her blushes and bronzers. Maybe she could have done one darker shade, but for her bronzers, but her blushes were just so different and cool. Ooh, I really like this blush. Okay, okay, Kai. This blush is gorgeous. Now, let's play with the highlighters. The Kylighters. Where's my Kylighter brush? Okay, first I'm going to take the shade I'm most excited about, which is Ice Me Out. I'm going to come close to the camera. I'm going to... It's not as powdery as the other one. Okay. Ooh. That's really pretty. Oh my god. Okay. I'm just putting on so much just to be dramatic, but this is gorgeous. I love this. So that is Ice Me Out. Let's try Quartz on the other side, so we're just completely mismatched. Rubbing the brush on my wrist. So this is much more yellow toned in the pan. I see the yellow tone a little bit. I don't think I like this one as much as Ice Me Out. Yeah, I don't think this is as flattering on my skin tone because the reflex are very pale yellow gold, not this more cool tone shade. But still really pretty. Cheers, darling. Let's just do some swatches of these on my hand. Cheers, Darling. I guess it's not too dark, but it's not really a highlight on my skin tone. Quartz, oh, these are so buttery. Like, look at that. And then Ice Me Out, which is my fave. Yes. Yeah, I'm just not feeling Cheers, Darling. But these two are beautiful. Yeah, this one's much more golden than, can you guys see this at all? I feel so dumb being like, yeah, these are extremely beautiful. My final review of this whole launch is that the highlighters are amazing. If you find a shade you really like, I think for paler skin tones, if you're anywhere near me, Ice Me Out is probably going to be your best shot, unless you want to try Princess Please, which is really pinky toned, but that is probably going to look a little bit more unnatural than Ice Me Out. Like, it's just so pretty. And then Quartz is a really pretty yellow gold. This would look good on a large array of skin tones. And then Cheers, Darling, which she has in the past advertised as a more universal highlight, but I don't think this would really work on me. So that might be a gift to one of my friends. But from this launch, the blushes are amazing. I really have enjoyed the other blush I have from Kylie in Winter Kissed, like, beautiful. So I do really enjoy the blushes, and the bronzer worked really well. I do think you can get something similar from Physicians Formula, but Physicians Formula is like $15 bronzer, and this is an $18 bronzer. And I really enjoy the formula and the shade range of these. So no, I do not have the entire collection, so I don't have like a ton of recommendations for which shades you should get, but these looked really pretty on my skin tone, which I know is far paler than most. But to find products that work for me, that's awesome. And yeah, I just really love Ice Me Out, and I think it's really, really pretty. I have some really exciting videos planned for y'all, and so I'll see you guys soon. So peace and positivity, and treat people with kindness.